Welcome to Drop Zone Elite. So today I'll be talking about the Monad Testnet. We have done so many videos previously on Monad Testnet, but today I'll be giving you 4 new tasks that you have to do today. Now, in the course of this video, I'll be moving from one link to another. All these links are going to be down there in the description. Now, the first one we have here is this super board. So once you come over here, you have to log in with the same wallet that I'll be using for Monad Testnet. So now here you have so many tasks that you have to complete, and most of these tasks we are familiar with it. Okay, so you just come over here. They are very easy to do. You complete all these tasks and then claim your points. Now most of these tasks they're almost done with it, so you do this as soon as possible. As you can see, they are done with this one. So now the next one we have here is madness.finance. So once you come over to this place, you have to log in with the same wallet that you're using for Monad Testnet. Okay, so once you do that, you come over to this tax section, click on it. So here now you have to complete all these tasks. Here we have the daily check-in, we have the daily swap, we have the liquidity provider, we have the socials, join Telegram. So you do this thing and then you claim your points immediately. Okay, so now the next thing you can do here is that you can also come over to here, faucets. You can also claim Moon token here as well too. So but you have to complete all this quest here for you to be able to claim this Moon token. Okay, so next here is this crowbar. Now here once you come over to this place, you then log in with your wallet and then ensure that this is in Monad Testnet. Okay, so now the first thing you have to do, that you have to do swap. Okay, now here you have to swap from Moon to USDC. Okay, now you select the amount that you want to do and then you swap. So I will do that now. Okay, complete this. So now we are done with the swap. So next thing we are going to do now is that we are going to place limits. So you come over to here, you click on limits and then you select the amount you want. So I have to do a lesser amount, so I'll just click here. $001. So I will then place my order. And then confirm the whole process. So now I'm done with this. So the next thing I have to do now is that I have to supply liquidity. So okay, so you move over to this vault. We are done with this, so move over to vault, click on vault. Now scroll down. So here I have to add liquidity, so I will click on here. I'm to add USDT and Moon. This is, I will select the amount I want here, 0.01. okay, and then I'll add liquidity. So you follow the same step I'm doing, so you do the same thing as I'm doing. Okay, so complete. So see, I'm done with this. So the next thing we have to do here, move over to the next link. Now here in this Monad, I have to, once you come over, ensure that you connect your wallet, and then the first thing we have to swap. So we're using this guide. So in this guide here, we have to swap Moon to USDC, Moon to USDT, Moon to WBTC, and then Moon to WTH. So I will do this thing now. So select the amount you want and then you swap. So all these steps they are very quite easy to do. So you just choose the amount you want to do and then you proceed with the transaction. Okay, almost done with this. So I'm done with this one. So next one I'll move to WETH. Okay, so you do it to complete all the next one we have here is Nambia Finance. Okay, now here we have to use this guide. We have to swap from USDC to USDT. That's first in the swap. In the supply section we have to supply USDC, we have to supply USDT, supply WBTC and then WETH. So I'll be doing these things right now. So now here now we supply first. So come over to this place and then we then supply. So click on manage. Okay, let me start with USDT. So sorry. Okay, come over USDC. Let me start with this one. So once you come over, click on manage and then click on deposits. Okay, and then you select the amount you want. So I will just go for 50% and then I will then approve it. Okay, now so you do it to ensure that you supply for these ones. Okay, supply for the USDC, the wrap, Ethereum, and then this one as well too. So then after that you have to make swap. So come over to swap. You have to swap from USDT to USDC. Okay, you select the amount you want to swap and then you complete the transaction. Okay, now you're done with this. So now next we have to do is that you have to come over to go to Nambia.finance Discord page, and then you have to complete your KYC and then claim the human rule, and then you'll be able to make use of their faucet token. So you just move over to I'll be leaving this link down in the description. Just go over there, click on it and then complete this task as well. Okay, now that's all for this particular video. Okay, so if there is any more updates, I will ensure that I bring it to you guys. Okay, so please you do it to subscribe and then follow us along. Okay, so that's all for this video. So thank you so much and then I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.